this feeling, we're happy again. We'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain and singing, just singing in the rain.
From the front of the Chinese Theater in Hollywood. What a night, ladies and gentlemen. What a night. Every star in Hollywood's heaven is here to make Monumental Pictures' premiere of The Royal Rascal, the outstanding event of 1927. Everyone is breathlessly awaiting the arrival of Lina Lamont and Lockwood. Oh, look who's arriving now. It's that famous sick girl of the screen, the darling of the flapper set, Zelda Sanders.
Zelda! Oh, Zelda!
You red-hot patch, J. Cumberland Spendrel III, that well-known eligible bachelor. Zelda's had so much unhappiness. I hope this time it's really love. And here comes that exotic star, Olga Mara. And her new husband, the Baron de la Bonnet de la Toulon. They've been married 2 months already, but still as happy as newlyweds. Well, 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 it's Cosmo Brown. Cosmo is Don Lockwood's best friend. He plays the piano on the set for Don and Lina to get them into those romantic moods. Oh, folks, this is it. This is it. The stars of tonight's picture, those romantic lovers of the screen, Don Lockwood and Lina Lamont. What a night, ladies and gentlemen. What a night. What a night, ladies and gentlemen. What a night. Outstanding event of 1927. Outstanding event of 1927. Everyone is breathlessly awaiting the arrival of Lina Lamont and Don Lockwood. Everyone is breathlessly awaiting the arrival of Lina Lamont and Don Lockwood. Look who's arriving now. Look who's arriving now. That well-known eligible bachelor. That well-known eligible bachelor. Zelda's had so much unhappiness. Zelda's had so much unhappiness. I hope this time it's really love. I hope this time it's really love. And here comes that exotic star, Olga Mara. And here comes that exotic star, Olga Mara. They've been married 2 months already, but still as happy as newlyweds. But still as happy as newlyweds. Cosmo is Don Lockwood's best friend. Cosmo is Don Lockwood's best friend. He plays the piano on the set for Don and Lina to get them into those romantic moods. Oh, folks, this is it. This is it. Oh, folks, this